The reality is that childhood has changed more in the last decade than probably the last century combined. And that when it comes to play, the things that I think about is the sense of roaming has changed significantly. The liability and safety has changed for kids substantially. And the third thing is only 1 in 5 kids live within access to a park. And what that creates is a sense of lack of access and 2, lack of creativity. We're a national nonprofit organization that believes that there's a play deficit in America that's harming our children, and we're trying to build a great place to play within walking distance of every child. We need to stop treating play as a luxury. It's through play that kids build the social skills, the creative skills, and the cognitive skills to deal with an ever-changing world that they're growing up with. The best type of play for kids is all types of play, and I think that sometimes we only think about sports and organized activities, and the reality is there needs to be a continuum of unstructured, freely chosen, child-directed, which brings about their creativity, being outdoors, playing with the stick, or just taking an empty box and finding their imaginations and wonder and joy just go wild for a short time and a long time and build an intrinsic motivation versus extrinsic rewards. Live every day as if it's your last day, and that's going to create this incredible both spontaneity and opportunity to open yourself up, that you may not do something normally that you would do, but actually find some joy and wonder in it. The moment is right now. I think that we have an infinite capability to do incredible things individually and collectively if we choose.